hello perlo bro te mga ijon kini sebeli dari na po Shillong Meghalaya te mentang kasngi ngadon ne mo finally buat ka tim ID Digital Premier te mentang ngadon bat ini ngam what is your name?
My name is Srinath.
So, ma'am, can you give some advice to the people all over Meghalaya because many of them abroad. I think if you could clarify a little bit about this digital Premier, it will be helpful for them.
Hi to all Meghalaya people. So I have been working in Digitalpreneur for almost 2.5 years. Until now I have earned almost 32 lakhs. Being a mother of 2 kids, and I have been working as a working professional before like for almost 8 years. And after that, after all the pressure only, I came into Digitalpreneur, and I was earning just 5 lakhs per year every single year for the last 8 years. But within 2 years I was able to earn 32 lakhs. So Digitalpreneur is completely trustable, and you are going to learn the skills basically. So that skills are going to help you earn. So it is not that some random things like trading or something like that. So you can definitely trust it, you can go about it, but the main thing is you should be open to learn something, because that is going to create the real impact for the long time. So I really wish all the Meghalaya people to start with Digitalpreneur and change your financial journey. Thank you so much.